Fed up with throttling? How ASUS TUF Z890-PLUS Wi-Fi's AI cooling rebels. Ever felt like your motherboard is a covert traitor, choking your build with thermal spikes and outdated ports that block every overclock dream? Picture wrestling cables in a dim-lit case, your Intel aspirations stifled by sluggish Wi-Fi and power hiccups. If this nightmare rings true, you're among friends. I've rage quit mid-build too. Drop a comment with your wildest mobo mishap. Let's bond over the chaos. But lean in, because this LGA 1851 powerhouse with Thunderbolt 4 might flip your frustration into fierce performance. Now, intensify the torment. Project deadlines crash like faulty RAM. Stress grips like a overheated VRM. Burnout erases the joy of that first boot glow. One gamer I know nearly scrapped his rig after Wi-Fi drops ruined a tournament stream. Soul-crushing, isn't it? It's wearying, juggling connectivity woes amid AI-ready demands. What if there was an ATX motherboard that reclaims your command, without piling on more pandemonium? No sacrificing DDR5 speeds or PCI Express 5.0 potential, just intuitive, durable stability that pulses with quiet assurance. Unveil the ASUS TUF Gaming Z890-PLUS Wi-Fi, the trailblazing ATX motherboard that's reshaping LGA 1851 builds for Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors. Envision it as your AI sentinel, wielding 16 plus 1 plus 2 plus 180 amps DR Mose stages with Pro-Cool connectors that deliver unyielding power like a steady heartbeat, while massive VRM heatsinks and AI cooling to whisk away heat with whisper-soft efficiency. This Z890 chipset champ flaunts a PCI Express 5.0 M.2 slot cooled to perfection, 3 PCI Express 4.0 slots for storage symphonies, and Wi-Fi 7 with Q antenna beaming ultra-low latency connections that feel like telepathy. Thunderbolt 4 Type-C surges data at 40 gigabits per second, blending with front panel USB 20 gigabits per second for peripherals that snap into seamless synergy. Imagine a content creator buried in edits, whose system hummed cool during a 4K marathon thanks to hybrid fan headers and Fan Expert 4, files flying to external drives via USB 4 without a stutter. Or that esports pro, mid-clutch, where AI networking 2 prioritized packets, the 2.5 gigabits Ethernet anchoring lag-free triumphs amid RGB Aura Sync glows. With TUF-grade chokes and capacitors ensuring endurance that borders on defiant, it's mesmerizing how it syncs with your intuition. Here's one way the ASUS TUF Gaming Z890-PLUS Wi-Fi saved the day for a busy professional. In a deadline crunch, its M.2 latch swapped SSDs tool-free, restoring flow instantly. Keep watching for the bonus trick at the end that unlocks even sharper AI overclocking. Your setup will surge. Yet plunge into the rapture. Benefits erupt like a flawless benchmark, ramping efficiency so boots blaze and transfers teleport without thermal tantrums, crystallizing focus for those deep-dive gaming sessions where every pixel thrums alive, and catapulting performance to workstation wizardry with effortless tweaks. Thousands obsess over how this AI PC-ready marvel harnesses DDR5 up to 192 gigabytes with AMP profiles, its militaristic carbon aesthetic gleaming under 3 Gen 2 RGB headers like a tactical edge. A hardware outlet proclaimed, ASUS TUF Z890-PLUS Wi-Fi is value gold. Overbuilt 16 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 stages for rock-solid core ultra stability. A tech analyst chimed, PCI Express 5.0 M.2 and Thunderbolt 4 future-proof at this price. Bandwidth bliss for creators. Even a PC builder influencer gushed. Reinforced slots and queue releases make installs a breeze. Responsive BIOS for DDR5. Users validate. One system builder shared. Enabled XMP flawlessly. Stable weeks on Intel Ultra. Another editor beamed. 4 M.2 slots juggle OS and projects. Thunderbolt 4 zips externals. See the unrelenting acclaim? It demolishes whines like setups fiddly, with BIOS flashback and pre-mounted input and output shield. Gimmicky? Nah, genius simplicity. Which perk would electrify your rig? Wi-Fi 7 for wireless wizardry, or AI Cooling 2 for silent supremacy? Comment below and confess. Infuse a whisper. Doesn't that VRM hum evoke a tactile thrill, drawing you into a realm where your PC breathes with bold vitality? An overclocker quipped. AI profiles outsmart manual tweaks. Headroom heaven. Limited stock on this tough titan. Join thousands who've fortified their Z890 fortresses, from gamers quelling latency to creators conquering AI loads. One user marveled. AI overclocking boosted safely with one click, quieter than my old board. An industry report struck true. Packs flagship perks like Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4 at smart value. Seize it now. Fancy that hidden Aura Sync bonus for vibe mastery? Comment yes if you're set to shatter build barriers. Don't just watch. Dive in. Claim your ASUS TUF Gaming Z890-PLUS Wi-Fi today and morph your machine into an unstoppable AI ally.